picture.
Okay, I want to take a picture.
You again take a picture of Mom?
Yep. All right, get your big helmet on.
You gotta tighten the neck strap a little.
There you go.
What's that funny thing?
Here, take your hand out. Tighten it just a little bit.
Woo!
Are you pretty excited?
My fans are getting burnt.
Your what are gonna burn?
Fans!
Your fans? What are you? Oh, don't pull on that. Let go. Let go.
All right. There you go.
Okay, let's get on.
Remember how? Yep. Oh, perfect.
Okay, now turn a little bit. Whoa.
I need a bell.
Oh, we'll put on your bell soon. It's gonna take a screwdriver to do that.
Woo! Woo-hoo! The pedal to the middle. Oh no, help! I can't stop.
Oh no!
Help me, help me, help me.
Oh no!
Someone push me, someone push me.
Go around the car.
I can't get up the hill.
Go around the car.
Pedal! Pedal up the hill!
Can we turn around and go down the hill?
Yes.
So you turn the wheel.
Whoa!
Now I think you go by yourself.
Okay, pedal by yourself.
Oh, I can't stop.
Oh no!
Yay, you're doing it. Keep going.
Keep pedaling.
Blow a tire.
Huh?
Blow a tire.
I did blow a tire.
You did?
Oh man!
Let's get a screwdriver to do this.
To do the bell?
Yes.
Okay,
Right
that was a
now.
pretty good ride.
Let's do it outside.
Give me 5.
Let's